It's a beauty. Let me show you how I came to come get this. Hey guys, Mustache Man. I'm originally from England. That's why I speak funny. And you can barely understand me. You're probably watching this with subtitles. When I was moving from England over to America to pursue my American dream and a better standard of living, I was like, well, what's on my bucket list? And so I went looking for the biggest piece that was missing. The more I thought about it, the more I realized I need a truck. I need that classic American truck to really fit in, assimilate, really have the whole American experience. As part of that journey, it took me to all the dealerships, it took me to the major brands, it took me to the used car lots, online search, and the more and more I realized they just weren't that great a quality anymore. And I really wanted that classic American truck. So I went to Oregon. So I jumped on a plane and I flew to Seattle, which was beautiful. And then I got a plane to Eugene, Oregon. The gentleman I was buying the truck from, Ron, he was so wonderful. He met me at the airport, picked me up, and took me to the middle of nowhere. I picked this truck up last night in Oregon, and on the side of a mountain. It was dark, it was misty, and it started to rain. Wipers were great, no problem seeing through that. I did wish I had some fog lights so that I could cut underneath the fog. It was just a wall of light, use my headlights. And by the time we got there, it was dark, about 10 o'clock at night. The truck was exactly as described. I started my 16-hour journey home. Ron gave me a shortcut over the mountain, which unfamiliar road, which actually ran out of asphalt and turned into dirt. It was a little wet, just woods. We are now in California. There's some daylight, so I'm going to do a walk around of the truck once I stop. And the roads are clear. There's no snow on them, no ice. So we're having a great time. I managed to make it to the hotel, and in the morning I set off. Driving through the woods of Oregon was amazing, and so were the mountains around Shasta. Good morning, everybody. I'm so excited. I just picked up a brand new, old school F350 XL 1994. This is a crew cab with the long bed right here, 4-wheel drive. I do have a little dent in the tailgate, but I have a 5th wheel. Got a little bit of surface rust in the bottom of the bed right here. I got the 2 fuel tanks right here, front and rear. I got some nice new tires on there. Standard stock differential. These mirrors are a little hokey. It looks like somebody bolted on this. I've got for some reason, I got an air choke hookup. I got to do something about this tint. This tint is, oh, it's locked. This tint, as you can kind of see, is in bad shape. Got some rips there, so I'm going to update that too. The door cards aren't too bad. I got the manual windows, does work. They're a little stiff to unlock. It did have power at one point for the windows. It's not working right now. The sills are really good. Corners of the bed are really good. There really isn't any rust there, so that's really good. all of it's a nice solid truck, nice bones for sure. Seats are a little warm, that needs updating. And then these flip forward, move back and forth, so does the front seat. Headliner looks really good, just needs cleaned up. My trim is falling down outside from my rear window, so I'm gonna try and get all the seals for all the doors and windows and try and update those. Yeah, it's got cruise control, not working right now. Lights, front and rear fuel tank. I do have overdrive on the transmission right there. Got to update the radio. This is the really only problem with the dash, and then this trim piece, which I'm sure I can get. Manual locking hubs, just quarter turn to engage. Bumper has got a little bit of crap on it. Both sides, a hole in it there. Bottom balance panel is good. Grill looks good actually. I popped this already just so that it's easier, but the catch is right here to do that. And then we got a K&N air filter. Battery's been doing okay. A little bit of a problem this morning getting started. I had to give it a little gas as I was turning it over, but then it turned over. A few other things in here that need to be looked at, but we're looking good. That's running good, sounds good. I am leaking from right there. Right there. And it's dripping down. I thought it was oil, but it's power steering fluid. The water pump, which is also looking kind of crusty down there. So the water pump is going to get changed out. This is the thermostat housing. I got a new thermostat, and going to need to get a new gasket for this. There we go. All right, other side, a little dent right there that can be banged out. Another little ding. Exhaust, stock exhaust, nothing special about that. I do have some dents as well in the tail bed that I do have to fix as well. So I got a little bit of body work. I'm not too worried about that right now. I'm gonna work on the internals. It came with 4 tires and rims. I gotta get a new handle for that too. I want to line this bed, put a cover on the top. Looks like I got something funky going on here that I need to check out and see what that's all about. Missing a couple of bolts there in this trim, but yeah, that's a really clean, good looking F350. So far I've done about 300 miles in it, no issues. All right guys, I'm gonna get driving again. So this F350 has come from Oregon, but it's in great shape. It's only got 160,000 miles on the clock. The steering is a little vague. I'm on some twisty turny roads and it's not doing anything, just going straight. Interior. The seats, I'm told that this is a rear seat that was put into the front. There's no center armrest or anything like that. It's just a bench. I've got manual windows and a pad in the door where you close it, where the handle is. It's a little squishy. It's been lent on a lot of wear and tear there. But I'm really happy. The interior light works when I turn that on. There it is. I can't wait to get hands on with this truck once I get home in 8 hours and 20 minutes. So it's not overheated at all. The oil temp has been staying right at where it's been the whole time, and water temp's been on the cooler side. I made it back to Vegas, which was awesome. The truck was faultless. Thanks for watching my journey getting this truck. Stick with me and watch me as I fix it up and I make it a forever truck. I'm really going to take my time with it and go into every little detail. All right guys, see you later.